If you're concerned about the home security and key door locks, then listen up. I just got the TEEHO Smart Digital Lock with Keypad. It looks great, it's super easy to set up and configure. Let me show you how you can set it up. Make sure that the circle in the latch is in horizontal position. Screw the latch just a little. Make sure that the bolt on the exterior assembly is also in the horizontal position. Pass the bolt through the latch and the cable from below the latch. Fix the mounting plate with the mounting screws such that they pass through the latch and into the exterior assembly.
Just make sure.
Now take the interior assembly and put it in unlock position such that the knob is horizontal as well. Attach the cable into the interior assembly socket. Fix it to the door. Use the 3 small screws to fix the interior assembly to the back of the door firmly. Tighten the latch firmly. This is the most important step. After the 3 AA batteries are installed before the 4th battery is installed, take the reset pin tool and hard press on the reset button as shown. Install the 4th battery. The latch will be in lock mode now. This will tell the TEEHO system whether to lock the door in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, especially if your door can be opened from right side or left side. Let me show you how you can use it. To lock the door from outside, press any of the button on keypad for 2 seconds. It locks the door. To unlock the door from outside, press the master code 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 followed by a hash. This unlocks and opens the door. Now let's see how you can configure it. The door right now is locked. To configure and change the master code, press 2 stars, then the current master code 1980 and hash. Wait for a green light. Press 1. Wait for green light flash. Enter new master code 8089, then hash. Re-enter new master code, then hash. Your new master code is set. Door unlocks only with the new master code now. Follow the quick setup documentation for more configurations. To get one, click on the link in the description.